Right, go on then. I'm in goal.
Go.
Whoa!
Oh,
Nutmeg! Goal.
My turn.
Okay.
Jump, hug.
Let's watch Joseph do it, shall we?
Go on then, Joseph. Kick it in the goal.
Go over there.
Okay.
What do I have to stand?
There, that's it. A bit forward, further forward.
Stop it.
Go on, Joseph. Go! Try again.
Well, he needs to get it from there.
Okay.
Not
Good try. Right, Joseph, you stand in goal now. It's Benjamin's turn to kick it in goal.
And your turn.
Now your turn. Mummy's going to go in goal.
Oh,
Good save, Mummy.
again. Oh!
Hey, nutmeg.